Hey guys, Ethan Jones Covers and more back today with the brand new baseball card opening video. Today I have a 2016 Topps Triple Threads box in. These just came out last week. I always collect them every year. They're my favorite product. You get 2 mini boxes. So I'm going to rip into this. I just opened the 2013 Pastime. Got some pretty nice stuff. Go check out that video. Let me know what you think about these videos. Hope y'all enjoy. There's the 2 boxes. Here's the odds on everything. If you want to pause it and look at those. Triple threads do look pretty nice this year. Here's the first pack. They do put a lot of air in them. Alright, first card is a George Springer base card. A Justin Verlander base card. And a Ken Griffey Jr. base card. The base are very nice. They're shiny foil cards. The one on the back is a purple Lorenzo Cain out of 340. And the other one is a Troy Tulowitzki 107 out of 250 green. The first hit is a Travis Denard triple jersey bat and another jersey out of 27, the sepia parallel. That's pretty nice. And this was a Mets pack. There's a nice Noah Syndergaard auto pinstripe jersey out of 99. So pretty nice there. One more pack to go. Been getting a lot of Mets hits. Here's the second pack. We have a thick card. There's a Matt Kemp base. Carl Yastrzemski base. And a Vladimir Guerrero base. On the back we have a Yasiel Puig purple out of 340. A Lou Gehrig gold out of 150 orange. We'll do the back one first. It's a Kyle Seager jersey card out of 36. And the thick one is a nice Jason Hayward jersey bat autograph out of 9 gold for the Cubs. So that wraps it up. I'll do a quick recap. The 2 autos were Noah Syndergaard and Jason Hayward out of 9. And the jerseys was Travis Denard and Kyle Seager. So hopefully we get some more triple threads in soon. I like them this year. Comment who you collect. Peace.